Right, team. Okay, so guys, today or last night I started a new project. Okay, so I saw this bag. One of you lovely people sent me this bag that you wanted me to recreate, and like the first idea when I look at it, I was like, oh, acid bag. I don't know if I'm gonna call it that yet, but it's like a checkered print and it's wavy. It's like, can't really find like pictures besides the one she sent me, so I'm using it as reference. And I'm serious about this, okay? I don't know if you guys can see that right here, but I literally made a whole template for this bag because I need to figure it out because it's so cute. So this is gonna be a crochet with me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How have you guys been? How are you? What's new? What's up? How am I? Oh, I'm chill, I'm fine. I just came back from my grandma's house. We were chilling. And then I was hanging out with my aunt for a little bit, chilling. Now I'm back. Do you guys ever like make checkered stuff and then your yarn gets like super tangled? Tell me about it. Tell me about it. All I do though, like if you're doing checker stuff and it gets really raveled, I just pull them like this and I let the work spin. And then yeah. Oh my gosh, wait, I should tell you this. Before this, I was at like the beauty supply store with my aunt because she just like invited me and I was like, yeah, I'll go with you. And when we were coming out of the supply store, right in front of her car where she was parked, there were these three guys fighting. They were fighting so hard that this one man's like whole butt was out. It was so, I was like, excuse me, because they were like fighting right in front of her car, and I was like, excuse me? Yeah, that's just what happens. You live in the city. Hey guys, so I'm back. It's been a few days and this bag has honestly been a struggle for me. So this is the first one I attempted, right? The wave does it look wavy? It looks cool, I would say, but it's not like exactly what I was going for. Like I think these waves are too long. I wanted them to be like shorter. I don't know. But like I literally made this bag here like 4 times. Like I made it, and then I would see a part where I didn't like it, and then I would just undo it all, and then I made it again and I undid it again. And then I was like, I'm gonna start from square one again. So I made a whole nother little graph thing and I'm making it again. So please, once I get this bag right and it comes out as a tutorial, please make it and then tag me in it, because this took a while and I really, really want you guys to like it. If you guys have watched some of my first sewing video, please let me know what you thought. Should I, like, now that I did it, I feel like I should be more in depth when I'm sewing, but then it's also like, I don't know, I feel like it's harder to teach than crochet because there's so much happening. And like one of my like subscribers, Brittany, you know you're there, she was telling me like I should make like a sewing basics and like mainly like maintenance on the machine. And honestly, I think that would be really helpful because I haven't like broken a sewing machine, but like I messed something up that I know it could be fixed and I just never fixed it, and then my sewing machine got super old and then I was always like struggling with it, and that's why I stopped sewing when I was younger. But my machine is right here. My dad is making me like a makeshift desk in my apartment. Here, I'll just show you. This is all the construction stuff. He's gonna come over later and like take some things, but here's gonna be the first Kate, I'm bad at camera. First level of the desk with like a cabinet at the bottom. There's gonna be 2 shelves, but I also kind of think this spot is a little small. I think this used to be someone's closet, but I might put like another little desk like on this wall. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna keep crocheting this for a few hours to see if I can like get this right, and then if not, I just need to like take a mental break, because honestly that's something I find myself doing a lot. Let me know if you guys do this too, but like I get like so serious and like set and trying to figure out how to do something like this bag, that I just keep doing it and doing it and doing it literally for like hours on end until I get it right, and then I end up like driving myself kind of crazy because I don't give myself a break or time to not think about the next step, right? I don't know, that's something that I've like really realized lately, is that like my mind is always on like go, like okay, I'm doing this, planning out what the next thing I'm gonna do, and then the next thing and the next thing, and like making sure that I'm doing it like well enough that you guys like it, and that like it's gonna be a good video, that like I just don't let myself like relax and just crochet without like stressing. I feel like lately I've really been stressing about time, because I used to post like 3 times. I used to post like 3 times a week, and that was like a lot of work. But then I also didn't post tutorial videos, so I was like, it was more like just sit down talk videos, and those were chill. I really love doing those. But then I found out a lot of you guys liked my tutorials, so I started saying, okay, let me pop out these tutorials. But then it was so hard for me, like it wouldn't physically be possible for me to put 3 tutorials out a week. So then for like my own sanity, I told myself, okay, 1 tutorial a week, I can do that, right? But then I don't know what's up with me. Lately, I'm like, oh, these videos are doing so well, you guys really seem to like it. Let me just like keep doing it. Why don't I just do 2 videos a week? So I think I'm gonna do 2 videos a week and kind of stress myself out. But it won't be that stressful. I just need to like calculate my time efficiently and just give myself like also time to like not do YouTube things, so my like mind can have a break and just, I don't know, do whatever I want sometimes. And like I do that. It's just, I don't know, my mind is constantly on the run, doing something. How's it looking? Wavy? But I don't know, if you guys have experienced this like constant, I don't even know how to explain this, like constant go, like constantly trying to go on to the next thing, and like constant movement. I don't give myself a break. If you guys do this, what are some things that maybe you do to help like calm yourself down, just stay in the moment, relax? Like I meditate and stuff. I've used to do yoga. I'm kind of like doing it again now because I know I need it. Now that I'm gonna be posting 2 times a week, let's see how long this goes. 2 times a week, it's just gonna be 1 tutorial and then 1 like not a tutorial, because 2 tutorials a week would also be pretty stressful. So I was thinking like maybe one of these like crochet with me's and then a tutorial on how I made that thing, or like me vlogging myself going yarn shopping or fabric shopping, or me going to the thrift store and explaining like the process of things that I look for, and then a tutorial with the things that I got, or like a try on haul, even though I really want to buy more clothes. But it's just expensive. So like maybe like a thrift haul and then a thrift flip, like with some of the things I got. So, and like, would you guys be interested in like vlogs from me in general, like more personal, one-on-one time? I almost said girl time, but like not all of you guys are girls, so more personal time. Let me know. I'm gonna like continue crocheting. I'm probably gonna listen to an audiobook as I do this. I'm reading, I forgot the title. I'll put it right here. It's for like this book club I'm in, and so far, my burp tastes like Cheerios. I had Cheerios a while ago. Okay, but so far the book has been very good. It's gotten my mind thinking, and it's like made me reevaluate some of the things that I'm doing in my life and how I'm doing it and how I could be doing things better for me mentally. So, and for the long run. I think this is also a book for the long run, but okay. I'll be back once I have some more progress on this. I have finally finished one side of the bag. So I think this is like good enough for me to actually start the tutorial now. So if you guys don't know, it's usually kind of like an either fail or miss for when I make tutorials. The ones that are fails you guys never see, but the ones that are fail or miss, no. The ones that are fails are the ones you never see, and the ones that are like good are the ones that get published. But which side do you think looks better? This one, A or B? Okay, it's pretty much just gonna be like a wave bag, and then we'll make another side, I'll probably make a base, not a side piece, and then I'll make a strap. We'll see. But I'm happy with it. I kind of wish I used like a third color. This with 3 colors would have been really nice, but it's okay. So let me know if you guys like these crochet with me like vloggy type videos. If you did, let me know, because I'll probably end up doing more because I'm crocheting pretty often. I'm making stuff often, so like why not involve you in my thought process and whatever, if anything interesting happens. But make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in this tutorial if you want to see it. Peace.